Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. It's Adam in the activities office, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to go through a live streaming tutorial so that you can watch Lake City Athletics this winter. All of the information that you will need to watch sports this year is going to be found on the Lake City Schools homepage. So when you type in the homepage, you come up to this screen right here. If you just want to watch a home event, all you'll need to do is click this link and it will take you directly to the Lake City Tigers channel, and whatever game is being played that night will show up in this space. Right now we don't have anything, but that will change as the season goes on. If you would like to watch on a phone or an iPad or your computer, you can utilize that same link. If you want to watch an away game, then this is also the spot to be, and you're going to click this winter activities link. When you click that link, you see this sheet that comes up, and from here you can get all kinds of information. We have all of the teams' rosters available on here, and then we also have the streaming links for all of the HVL schools. So let's say that we want to watch a game, in a girls' game that's going to be in Byron. So you can click on that link and you can go right in here and click on Byron's YouTube link, and it'll take you straight to their channel. And you can watch it again on your computer, on your mobile device, whether that's an iPad or a phone. You can watch it there. The other method that people can utilize to watch an event is through their smart TV. If you have a smart TV, again, you're going to want to go from the Lake City Schools homepage to that winter sports link page, and you're going to click again whatever sport you want to watch. And let's say that we want to watch the girls play Byron, or the boys, it doesn't matter. What you're going to do is you're going to click on your smart TV's YouTube app. So you need to get into your apps and you can get into the YouTube app. Now you may need to create an account to watch YouTube. It doesn't take very long, and it's not that big a deal to do. Once you have your account, you then need to go to your search function, which is the little, I think it's a little magnifying glass. And in there you need to type the keywords that you see right here on this sheet of paper. So if I want to watch on my smart TV a game in Byron, I'm going to go to my search function and I'm going to type in Byron activities, and it will take you to Byron's YouTube page, and you can watch the game from there. I hope this helped. I know it's pretty quick. If you need to watch it 2 or 3 times, that's okay. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call here in the office anytime. Hope you have a great day, and let's go Tiger Sports.